Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the adapter you need to install when your stereo tube is too short. So here I have two stem riser adapters. One is 1 1/8 inches by 25.4 millimeters. And the other one is 1 1/8 inches by 22.2 millimeters. These adapters are being used to convert the old threaded box from 1 inch quill stem to 1 1/8 inches threadless stem. With the diameter of the stereo tube is 25.4 millimeters. The 25.4 millimeters adapter is not going to fit. You need the 22.2 millimeters adapter to fit into the 25.4 millimeters stereo tube. Simply put that in and tighten the top bolt.